Make out. To kiss passionately. They were making out in the corner of the party, not caring who was watching. Hook up. To have a casual romantic or physical relationship. They hooked up at a party, but it didn't turn into anything serious. Ask out. To invite someone on a date. After weeks of talking, he finally got the courage to ask her out for dinner. Stick with. To stay loyal and committed to someone. Even during difficult times, she decided to stick with him and support him. Flirt with. To show romantic interest in someone playfully. He kept flirting with her all night, and she seemed to enjoy it. Put up with. To tolerate someone's bad behavior. She puts up with his messy habits because she loves him. Chat up. To talk to someone in a friendly or flirtatious way. He tried to chat up the new girl at work, but she didn't seem interested. Hit it off. To like someone and become friends quickly. They hit it off as soon as they met at the party and have been together ever since. Fall for. To develop strong romantic feelings for someone. She fell for him the moment they met, and now they are happily married. Go out with. To be in a romantic relationship with someone. They've been going out for over 2 years and are thinking about getting engaged. Make up. To stop arguing and become friendly again. They had a huge fight last night, but they made up this morning and are fine now. Settle down. To start a serious and stable life with someone. After years of traveling, he finally decided to settle down and start a family. Cheat on. To be unfaithful to a romantic partner. She was heartbroken when she found out that he had been cheating on her for months. Grow apart. To slowly become less close over time. They used to be so in love, but as they got older, they grew apart and eventually split up. Break up. To end a romantic relationship. After years of trying to make it work, they finally decided to break up and move on. Look up to. To admire and respect someone. She has always looked up to her grandparents' long and happy marriage as an example. Drift apart. To lose connection with someone over time. They were childhood sweethearts, but as life got busier, they drifted apart. Split up. Another way of saying break up. They split up last year, but they remain good friends. Get over. To recover from a breakup or heartbreak. It took him months to get over her, but now he's ready to date again. Move on. To stop being emotionally attached to someone after a breakup. It took her a long time to move on, but now she's happier than ever. Tie the knot. To get married. After dating for 5 years, they finally tied the knot in a small ceremony. Propose to. To ask someone to marry you. He proposed to her on a beautiful beach at sunset, and she said yes. Go through with. To do something difficult, like a marriage or divorce. She had doubts about the wedding, but she decided to go through with it anyway. Walk out on. To leave someone suddenly, often in a negative way. He walked out on his wife and kids without any explanation. Mess around. To have fun without taking a relationship seriously. He's not looking for anything serious, he just messes around with different people. Turn down. To reject someone's romantic proposal or invitation. She turned him down when he asked her out because she wasn't interested. Lead on. To make someone believe you like them when you actually don't. She led him on for months, making him think she wanted a relationship when she didn't. Fall out with. To argue and stop being close to someone. They were best friends, but they fell out over a misunderstanding and stopped talking. Patch things up. To fix a broken relationship or friendship. They had a big argument, but they managed to patch things up and are close again. Run into. To meet someone unexpectedly. I ran into my ex at the coffee shop, and it was so awkward. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more knowledgeable videos.